How to fix the MMS not sending on your iPhone. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through how you can fix the MMS not sending on your iPhone. So if you are facing the problem of your MMS messages not coming in on your iPhone, you can just go ahead and do this, guys. Go to the settings. When you click on the settings, guys, I want you to scroll a little bit, scroll down and look for where it says message, guys. Go ahead and do this. When you scroll down, guys, click on where it says message. When you click on this, guys, this is going to fix your MMS problem permanently. So you open the message, go ahead and scroll down a bit. When you scroll down a bit, you're going to be seeing where it says MMS messaging. So if you toggle off, go ahead and toggle it on, and if you toggle on, go ahead and toggle it off and toggle it on back. So when you do this, guys, this is going to help fix your MMS problem. So if it's still not working, guys, another thing you could do is to go ahead and filter unknown. So go ahead and do this. When you filter it, it's going to help you fix the MMS problem. So if this is not working for you, you can just go ahead and turn this iMessage off. When you turn it off, you can turn it on back. So if it's still not working, you can just go ahead and remove this application. So go ahead and remove the message application. When you remove it, go to your app store. When you go to your app store, guys, search for message. So when you search for message, guys, the application is going to be showing you here, so you can go ahead and install it back, as you can see, guys. So when you upload it, you can go ahead and upload it back. So this is going to help fix the MMS problem not sending on your iPhone. So I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button.